Hey, credit heroes. Right now I'm standing in front of our amazing wall of millionaires. And I'm here today because I want you to know how they got here. But I also want to share a secret that they all have in common. See, each and every one of our millionaires has an amazing, inspiring story. They all had to struggle and persevere in order to reach their goals. None of them woke up one day and found out that they had made $1 million overnight. No, they each had to work really, really hard and bootstrap their businesses from nothing. And today, I'm going to tell you how these credit heroes overcame adversity and eventually reached millionaire status. Because I want you to know if they can do it, you can do it. So you better stick around. My name is Daniel Rosen, and welcome to Credit Repair Business Secrets. There is an old saying in business. It goes like this: you can't climb a smooth mountain. So today I'm going to tell you how these credit heroes kept climbing even when the road was very rocky. And I'm going to tell you how they reached millionaire status. Now you might be thinking, but I can't start my own business. You might be thinking that you don't know how, or that life is just too crazy at the moment. But I'm here to tell you that every single member of our Millionaires Club, they were all in the same position that you are in right now. Every one of them has a unique and inspiring story. Now, some of you may already know mine. I was totally broke. I was between gigs when a bank error ruined my credit. And because of that error, I almost went bankrupt. I almost lost my house. I almost lost everything. I was totally on my own, and I had to learn how to fix my own credit through trial and error. And that's when I started to create Credit Repair Cloud. And I did it to help myself, but I also did it to help others so that they wouldn't have to go through the same awful process that I had to go through. Sure, I struggled, but I persevered. And now I get to pay my success forward by helping others to change lives. And I want you to be able to do the same because it is amazing. And like I said, everyone here on this wall, they have an inspiring story. So today, I'm going to share just a few. But before we get into this podcast is brought to you by the Credit Hero Challenge. If you want me to hold you by the hand as you launch your very own credit repair business, go to creditherochallenge.com and sign up now. Oh, and I love this part. Every episode, I am featuring one of our credit heroes inside our Credit Repair Cloud Facebook community so that you can see firsthand what real people are doing as they launch and grow their business. And today's spotlight is on Ashley Kemp. Ashley, she recently posted that one of her clients that she's been working with for a year was finally able to buy a house. And she explained that moments like these, seeing her clients' success stories, that is what keeps her going. And she went on to say that there were times when she thought about giving up on her business, but she knew she couldn't and won't, not as long as she can change people's lives. And wow, Ashley, that is awesome. That is the perfect Millionaires Club mindset. It's not always easy, but it's always rewarding. And congratulations on guiding your client to their new home. I know that you're going to continue to change a whole lot of lives, and we're going to be seeing you up here on our Millionaires Club wall very soon. Oh, and speaking of our Millionaires Club, let's get into this. I am standing in front of our version of the Hall of Fame. All these people on the wall here behind me, they have each made over $1 million in their Credit Repair Cloud. Now, we currently have 47 Millionaires Club members here, but that number is always growing. It's been growing at a rate of about 2 members a month. And our goal here at the Credit Repair Cloud office is to fill all of our walls with these awards. And I know we can, because I know there are plenty of more millionaires out there. Now, you might be wondering if you could be one. Well, I'm telling you, yes, you can be. It is not a mystery how to succeed at credit repair. I can walk you through every step of your journey. You just have to study the processes, apply the training, use the software, participate in the community, work hard, be awesome, provide value to your clients, and you will reach your goals. Our millionaires here, they had to do it, and it wasn't easy. No, but they bootstrapped their businesses and they built better lives for themselves and their families. Take, for example, Derica Harwell, millionaire number 18. Now, Derica, she went from experiencing homelessness. She was living in her car with her 2 kids. She was feeling like a failure as a mother. She was fighting depression and feeling alone. She went from that space to running a multi-million-dollar credit repair business, becoming an award-winning author, and having the mayor of Milwaukee proclaim August 9th to be Derica Harwell Day. Amazing, right? So how did she do it? Well, Derica got a job at a bank, and because of her personal experiences, she made sure to go above and beyond to help people with their financial issues. Derica provided value. And soon she realized that people were waiting in line just to get her advice. And when she saw how many people wanted her help, she decided to start her own business. So she found Credit Repair Cloud, which she says literally saved her business. And the rest is history. And then there's Vamba Freeman, millionaire number 30. Vamba came to the U.S. at the age of 10 from Sierra Leone, and he was a refugee of 2 wars. Imagine that, a refugee of 2 wars by the age of 10. And as an adult, Vamba worked in the IT and sales industry, but he got injured and lost his job. So he couldn't work. And during the process of fighting his previous employer, he experienced homelessness for 6 months. Vamba needed to repair his own credit, but he found the process exhausting and demeaning. He knew there had to be a better way, so he took a course on how to repair his credit. And he decided at the end that he wanted to help others in similar situations, and he started his own business. Now, at first, he did everything slowly and manually until he discovered Credit Repair Cloud. And with Credit Repair Cloud, Vamba was able to scale his business up to 7 figures and 1,000 clients with almost no advertising and no automations whatsoever. Just hard work. We love Vamba. Or how about Ricardo Soto and Daniel De La Garza? They are a team, and they are Millionaires Club member number 43. They each had their own struggles to overcome and paths to walk before they could build a successful business together. Daniel was working physically demanding manual labor jobs until he injured his back. He had surgery, he couldn't work, he couldn't pay his bills, and his credit was devastated. And his credit hero partner, Ricardo, he was working for a bank when his father was diagnosed with a brain tumor. Ricardo's family spent so much time at the hospital that Ricardo eventually lost his job. So he was broke, unemployed with a 2-year-old. His family was forced to live off his credit cards, and he found himself in debt to almost $113,000. And both of these guys, they had to learn how to repair their own credit first. But once they did, it only took them 45 days to figure out how they could make a living doing credit repair. And then it only took them 15 months to make their first $1 million in revenue. And they did it by studying the processes, applying the training, using the software, participating in the community, working hard, being awesome, and providing value to their clients. As Ricardo says, mindset is truly where the source of all millionaires lie. And here's why this is important. All these inspiring stories, they all start with a good person in a bad situation. And no matter where you are in your life, this can be your starting point. You don't need to be homeless. Your story doesn't need to be as dramatic as Derica or Vamba's. You just need to dedicate that your new life starts now. It's also important that you understand that bootstrapping, it isn't easy. It doesn't mean overnight success. What it means is turning your coat closet into an office like Ricardo did, or using word-of-mouth referrals like Vamba did because you don't have any money for advertising. See, all these people are proof that it can be done. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And the first step is believing me when I say, I know you can do this. I know you can succeed because I've seen so many others do it. Here's what you need to know. You might think that you can't start your own business, and that's okay. A little fear is good. A little fear means you're taking this seriously, but don't be discouraged. I can teach you how to build a successful business. We have free courses, training sessions, and advanced master classes that will guide you step by step on your journey to becoming a millionaire and getting your own award on the wall here. There are plenty of tools to help you. Our software, it makes credit repair as easy as possible. And last, and maybe most important, you need to know that you won't be alone on your journey. You won't need to struggle through trial and error like I did. Not only is our staff available to help you 7 days a week, but the Credit Repair Cloud Facebook community, it is buzzing 24/7, 365 days a year with other credit heroes giving tips and supporting one another. You can do this. There are 47 Millionaires Club members so far. There is nothing stopping you from being number 48, 49, or even number 100. And if you'd like to see exactly how to do it, if you want a guide outlining every single step to easily create a profitable credit repair business without having any prior experience with credit repair, then sign up for our free Millionaires map at creditrepaircloud.com/millionaire map. These tools and so many more are available in Credit Repair Cloud. And if you don't already have a Credit Repair Cloud account, what are you waiting for? Get yourself a 30-day free trial at creditrepaircloud.com/free trial. And if you'd like me to hold you by the hand as you launch your very own credit repair business, be sure to check out our Credit Hero Challenge. It's a live experience that has helped tons of credit heroes to get their first clients, to get certified in disputing, and to gain confidence as they launch their credit repair business on a solid foundation so they can change a whole lot of lives and make a great living in the process. We're starting the next challenge in just a couple days, so you want to join before the doors close, or you're going to have a long wait until the next one. So sign up right now at creditherochallenge.com. And if you're finding value in the things that I'm sharing on this podcast, click below to subscribe, okay? And leave me your questions and your comments because I read each and every one of them. And I will see you in the next episode. And until then, be a credit hero and keep changing lives. Hey everybody, it's Daniel again, and really quick, I'd like to invite you to join what I believe is the best thing we have ever created inside the Credit Repair Cloud community. And it is a challenge that we call the Credit Hero Challenge. If you're just planning out your business or you're just getting it started and you dream of having a successful business of your own so you can quit your 9-to-5 and fire your boss and have financial freedom, or so you can add another revenue stream to your existing business, if that's your dream, you need to get into this challenge. We created this challenge to help you to create and launch your very own credit repair business, to build a proper foundation for a really successful business. This challenge is going to help you to understand the strategy, the tactics, and all the things you need to be successful at credit repair. It really is the greatest thing we have ever built, and it will change your life. So I recommend you do it right now. Stop everything, pause this audio, go online, and go to CreditHeroChallenge.com. That's CreditHeroChallenge.com and join the next challenge. And there's a challenge that's starting in just a few days, so go get started right now at CreditHeroChallenge.com.